Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. This afternoon Appa, from my lunch outside, I have some leftover roast pork. So I happen to have some sawi bunga. Okay, sawi bunga. Choy sam, yeah, also one type of choy sam here. A bit look like kai lan actually, this one. So I'm going to cook these two together. This is actually one of my favorite dish, using roast pork to fry veggie. Yeah. So later we are going to deep fry the roast pork, then stir fry the veggie together. We will need a few pieces of ginger here. It will be even better if you have young ginger, yeah, more fragrant. I'm using old ginger here. This is actually some minced garlic. Very simple ingredient. Okay, so you want to heat up some oil here. Then you're going to deep fry the roast pork. You really can deep fry until it is really crispy. Yeah? Depends on how crispy you would like it to be. You can use medium high heat to deep fry for probably about 1 minute to 2 minutes. You decide. Since it is already cooked, you decide the crispiness you wanted. I'm using medium high heat. Okay, this is after about 2-3 minutes under medium high heat. Oops. I deep fry make it into a bit brownish like this. Yeah, something like this. Then I'm going to take it out. Okay, then I rest it on a piece of, this is oil absorbing paper, right? To soak out the excessive oil, and wow, you can imagine how fragrant is this. Okay, change to another wok. Put in a little bit of oil, approximately 2 tablespoons. Then you're going to saute your ginger and garlic. Be careful. Okay. Very fragrant. Then we can put in the harder portion, the stems of the veggie. Then the leaves. And I'm going to add in a little bit of my chicken powder. Yeah, this is my homemade chicken powder. You can get it from Shopee. I will put the link in the video description. Okay, it looks something like this. 100% natural, no MSG, no preservative. I'm going to put in some hot water. Tune down the fire right now as I'm going to season the veggie a bit. I'm going to put in some oyster sauce. A bit of salt. light soy sauce, a little bit of Shao Hsing wine, this is optional. Now we can raise the heat. Give it a few stir. Wow. Ooh, very fragrant. Actually, I don't mind giving a little bit more hot water because later I'm going to starch it a little bit. Okay, I'm going to quickly make some starch solution. Can off the fire. Let me add in some starch solution here. Alright. And I'm going to add in a little bit of sesame oil. Or you can use garlic oil, up to you. Right? And a few dashes of white pepper. And I almost forgot my roast pork. Give it a few stir. Done. Wow, very fragrant. Okay, now we can serve. Alright, here's my very simple kailan or choy sum fried roast pork. I hope you like my video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.